Welcome to A Girl with Tools. Today we're going to work on wiring up this console. Let me show you what we've done so far. So we are taking this box out. We've bought something to go here now. So the next project is to do this. I strongly say to everybody, make sure your battery's off. We have installed in this buggy a battery disconnect. And it is off. And here's the battery, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to disconnect anyways before I start fiddling and labeling things from this box. Okay, so I have everything off, and as you can see, this box is pretty grimy. Everything's out. The box is ready to get lifted off. What's holding it on is all the wires. So I'm going to peel all this stuff off. And label the wires further down because they'll have to be clipped to get the connections off, which is fine because everything's going there now. So we have soft fitted the new console in. I haven't started to drill holes yet. That's today's project. And trimming down the wiring for it. So let's get to work. Okay, so we're going to drill holes into this. We need 4 holes in this area. Turn signal. Wait, high-low beam. Turn signal. Turning the lights on. Obviously ignition. And then I'm going to add 2 holes down here. Alternator indicator light. And then I need to get another one in a different color for the oil indicator. So I'm going to do some measuring and we're going to get drilling.